Acacia is leaving the scene after announcing or declaring the results. After announcing the results of he is leaving. He has left, and he has left. He has fled the scene. That is exactly what is happening here. After he has.
I, Hasacha Rashid, being the returning officer for Kampala Electoral District, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration form in accordance with Section 77, subsection 1 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for candidates are as below. Edward Stanley, Independent, 114. Ismail, FDC, 100. Nambi Farida, 80,930. Serunkuma Salim, 131. Elias, 34,955. The total number of valid cost voters. I therefore declare Ruimbazi duly nominated for Kawempe North South.
You are wrong. You have done something wrong. We have results from East. They are here. Where did you get that? Where did you get that?
So that is what is happening here. The people, some of the people from the side of Nambi Farida are contesting the results, and here they want to demonstrate some. The returning officer is leaving the scene. The returning officer, Rashid Acacia, is leaving the scene after announcing or declaring the results. After announcing the results he is leaving. He has left, and he has left. He has fled the scene. That is exactly what is happening here. After he has declared the members of the report. That is what the returning officer said. Omukuru, come on. Because the returning officer Rashid is also from ECSO. Let me go and find out what Senyonyi is telling the public, what Elias Nalukoola is telling the public. The results that have been declared indicate that Elias Lumumba's Nalukoola has won with 33,490 votes compared to Nambi Kawaida, who has garnered 8,930. So those are the results for Kawempe North Division. So this is exactly what's happening here. The microphone.
What took your win so long to come? Results entirely.
NRM and Nambi, with connivance with some people within the Electoral Commission, to mention but a few. There is a certain lady called Nasuna Rehema. She was reading things which are very strange. Nalukoola 00, Nambi 500, Nalukoola 12, Nambi 600. Where did she get that? I hit Nambi thoroughly. She never defeated me anywhere. No single polling station did Nambi get anything beyond or to the magnitude of 100. I won her decisively. I gave her bloody nose. Now I'm wondering why they wanted to declare themselves winners. Will she be able to represent us from the sky? From where? She has failed completely. But I have seen them attacking the returning officer. Why, when you don't have any votes? Can they present their declaration of results forms? I had all of them. I had defeated her everywhere. Now I don't know what they are looking for.
Good evening. Members, there was a challenge that the printer misbehaved, but I'm still within the time. I promised that between 9, between 3 to 3:30, we would be here. That one I had promised. I have results for directly elected member of parliament. The district is Kampala, Kawempe Division North.